Hello everyone! Today I am very happy to introduce to you our latest sock printer with visual positioning system. One of the key highlights of this new upgrade is the incorporation of a cutting-edge vision positioning system. This system allows for precise scanning of the socks, enabling the printer to automatically identify and remove colored parts, such as the heels, toes, and seams. This not only streamlines the printing process, but also ensures that the final output is of the highest quality. The newly upgraded sock printer has high production efficiency and fast printing speed. With a production capacity of 50-70 pairs per hour, the upgraded socks printer offers a wide range of printing options. Users can choose from a variety of colors and designs, allowing for greater customization and personalization. Whether it's a single black heel or a multicolored pattern, the printer can accommodate a diverse range of preferences, making it a versatile and adaptable solution for various printing needs. The new and upgraded socks printer with a vision positioning system represents a significant leap forward in printing technology. With its advanced features, fully automatic operation, and high efficiency, it is poised to set new standards in the industry. If you're looking for a printing solution that combines innovation, functionality, and versatility, look no further than this cutting-edge system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest advancements in technology. See you next time.